or mitigation control. So we are depending on them. Suppose there is a leak, they will take care of the leak and firefighting and so many other things. They will take care of it. They are not controlling them.
Yeah, correct. So existing, you can say existing, safeguard of the plant is there. So this is the preventive control. We are going mitigating. Mitigating, first is emergency response plan is there. Are you going to provide personal gas detector? Mana, are you going to provide detector?
Yes, yes.
That's right.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
So
Monitor they have.
existing
We
plant.
put S2S monitor, not yes. There's no S2S monitor. First
H2S.
monitor.
Okay, correct.
Yes, S2S, yeah.
So existing a plant FNG system
Yeah. Okay. FNG system.
and firefighting system will be there in the existing one.
Yes.
Fire extinguisher will be there. Emergency response I remove now because we have made it. PP they are going to provide anyway. First aid is there and medic is there. So we are taking one recommendation: review the existing QRA to conclude the IRPA of the construction people and suggest appropriate control measures. So then they will say there is no S2S not required. Who is the contractor or EPC contractor?
I think
You are EPC contractor or you are EPC contractor? Correct.
we'll say we'll give. I think we will have that, right? I think I've given existing facility, some studies are there with you. Can you check other existing studies? We'll give other. We will ask them to give it.
Even you can give me later on. I can do it, or I can put contractor only if you wish.
Contact slash company, put slash company, because company has to provide them.
Fantastic. Yes, correct. So guys, in first category, only this is applicable from the existing one. For refined hydrocarbon, I don't worry about the lube oil. I'm not worried about this one. Diesel fuel, you are going to use DG set. So I will keep it. Leak from the
DG set itself?
Of course, they must have electrical, no?
Diesel
generator, yes. Yeah.
At the sides.
Yeah. Because for lighting purpose, for AC purpose. Yeah. So diesel you are going to use. So spillage. There is no major concern, but as a completeness, I have to put it. Full fire impacting construction people, asset, environmental damage. I am putting 3. And I am putting C is the likelihood. Certified HSC approved contractor equipment, of course. In it may not be in existing. I have to say, yeah. Right now.
No, why we are saying certified and HSC approved contractor?
Certified DG set.
Yeah, certified DG set, right? Certified and approved DG set.
Approved, certified DG set. Public equipment, right? Any equipment they are using. WS will be there.
No, the WMS is they are following it. No, we are on your own WMS or I don't because so contractor administration, because this is a greenfield.
Okay, so I am putting WMS. Yeah. Trend staff will be there. Safe handling procedure is there. HSC industry we are going to put to everyone. Warning signboards.
So diesel is like we have the containment, right? Like it is standardized. If the diesel leak it won't come out.
No. We have the filter for the.
Yeah, you can have secondary containment in the diesel.
Yeah.
You put
So,
the existing put secondary containment.
Yeah, I will put in the mitigation, no? So now detector will not help, right? I will remove it.
No, detector also is not there. Remove.
I will put the secondary containment either. You have got drip tray?
Yeah. Secondary containment, secondary containment.
Secondary containment, oblique drip. Fantastic.
But drip tray will not suppose the diesel tank enter the.
Okay, I remove it.
Take care of it.
Okay, no problem. I remove it.
Diesel tank is there, right? Day tank is there on diesel generator.
No, it's for the diesel tanker is coming.
But where is it? The day tank and the generator itself, right?
Diesel tank.
Generator. But what is in the container? Where is your diesel generator?
In the lay down area. So
no, it is mounted inside the container or it is open?
Inside the generator. There is a container there.
Okay.
Under this generator, we provide the one.
Because the thing is, if suppose this is a full tank rupture, so the drip tray will take care of that entire liquid.
This is the big drip tray and this one time.
Okay, one time, 1.1 ton. Okay.
So let us put container.
Secondary container is
Okay. Existing FNG will not help.
No.
Fire protection will not help. Then existing will not help, no?
But remove existing.
Yeah, you are right.
Remove, no, there is active, not able to remove. Only